These are worked solutions to the AQA Core 1 exam paper from June 2011. If you're a new college student, this is the lilac colour paper number 14. Have the paper in front of you so that you can see the questions, because these are not on this presentation, and also a pen and paper will be useful. Make sure you use the pause button to allow you to work at your own pace. Question 1. The line AB has equation 7x plus 3y equals 13. You need to find the gradient of AB, so you need to rewrite this equation in the form y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient. So rearranging that equation gives the following. And you can see that the number in front of the x is minus 7 over 3. And so this is the gradient and the answer to the question. Question 1, Part B, Part 1, you need to find the equation of a line which is parallel to AB. So the gradient of this line has to be the same as the gradient of AB, which is minus 7 over 3. So we need to write down the equation of the line in the following form. Y minus y1 equals the gradient times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are a point on the line, and this point being C with coordinates minus 1, 3. So let's put the coordinates of C into this equation and get the following solution, making sure that we tidy up the two minus signs and replace them with a plus sign. We don't have to simplify any further than that. That's enough to get you the 2 marks for that part of the question. Question 1, Part B, Part 2. The point 1.5 minus 1 is the midpoint of AC, so let's draw a diagram so that we get a full picture of this situation. So there's the midpoint with coordinates 1.5 minus 1. Point C has coordinates minus 1, 3. And we need to find the coordinates of point A. Let's call them xy. The standard method for finding the midpoint between 2 points is to find the x coordinate, add the 2 x's together and divide by 2, and the y's, add the 2 y's together and divide by 2. In this case, the midpoint is 1.5 minus 1. And the other 2 points are xy and minus 1, 3. So put those numbers in respectively. We can easily work out x and y with 2 separate equations. And this tells us that point A has coordinates 4 minus 5. For question 1 part C, we need to find the intersection of two lines. This involves solving two simultaneous equations. So the equation of line AB is given at the very beginning of question 1, 7x plus 3y equals 13, and the other line that is intersecting with AB is 3x plus 2y equals 12. So to solve these two simultaneous equations, multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3 to eliminate the y's. Take those two equations away. So we find that x is minus 2. And substituting x equals minus 2 in the second of the two equations at the top of this page gives us 3 times minus 2 plus 2y equals 12. And following from that, y equals 9. So the point of intersection is minus 2, 9.